How to heal a UTI? UTI, kidneys. UTI is kidneys because you're not moving waste. And if you don't remove waste, guess who comes into play? Bacteria. So bacteria is called upon to break down waste, protein and acids. So when your kidneys don't filter out waste, when your lymph system is not moving, UTI is very common. Okay, but if you fix the lymphatic system and you fix your kidney filtration and you use antimicrobial herbs, you see the UTI goes away. Also, you can use the Kidney 6 formula on my website. It has buchu, the herb buchu and uva ursi, and these are fantastic for UTIs because they have volatile oils that will get rid of them for you. Okay, it's not difficult. Reach out to me on our profile link. I'll send you the steps. UTI, I'll be on maybe a 20-day lemon grape cleanse. I will be on the antimicrobial tincture, Kidney 6 for the herbs for the UTI. I would also be on 2 kidney tinctures and adrenal gland tincture, bowel strength tincture, and lymphatic herbs. And your UTIs should go away. Also, you can use the lymphatic tea and use it as a douche to clean the area. You see that you make great progress.